Hello everyone, in today's video, I want to explain on how to set up cron job to automatically start AEM when we restart our VM. In my previous video, I have explained on how to install AEM in EC2 instance. And today I want to explain on how to set up the cron job in EC2 instance. Okay, when we install AEM in EC2, so first we launch the instance, the EC2 instance. EC2 is the VM, and then AEM is inside the VM. So AEM is an application inside of our EC2 or in our virtual machine. For outer, normally we use port 4502. This is the default port. So inside EC2 itself, you can have another application with different port. Okay, but when we bring down a EC2, when we bring down the VM, automatically AEM also will be down. And when we start the EC2 again, then we need to manually bring up AEM. If we don't want to bring AEM manually, what we need to do is we need to set the cron job that trigger upon VM reboot. So this cron job will automatically bring up AEM when the EC2 is restarted. Okay, how to do that? First, we need to log in or SSH to our EC2 instance. I already logged in here. You can also check in my previous video on how to log in or SSH to EC2 instance. And here is the step. I will put these steps in the description later. First, open the cron job editor using the command sudo crontab-e. Okay, now we are in the editor mode. We don't have any cron job here, so that's why it's blank. And then press I to insert and put the command like this. It is at reboot, meaning is the function will check upon the VM reboot. What we do is we will run this script. This is the start script to bring up AEM, and you also need to follow your installation path. For this case, in this instance, I install AEM under this folder /AEM/author, and then here's the CRX quick start folder. Okay, after you put this command, just save it using $WQ exclamation mark and then enter. To check your cron job, you can use sudo crontab-l. So you can see this is the command that we just inserted. Please note that it's best practice for EC2 instance. When we run command, we just use also sudo, because if we don't use sudo, the job will go to another user, which is to EC2 user. Yep, so we put under sudo. Okay, and let's test this by restarting the VM. So go to our VM and then let's stop this. Automatically, when we stop the instance, the SSH also will get this kind of error. The network connection will be closed as well, and we will see this pop up. Okay, let's refresh and wait until the instance fully stop. Okay, now it's already stopped. I will start back. It is starting. For this VM, I'm using Elastic IP. So if you notice, the IP is not changed upon the VM restart because I'm using Elastic IP. If we don't associate Elastic IP, the public IP will be changed when we stop and start our EC2 instance. Okay, now it's already running. Let's try to log in again. Maybe I just restart the session. Login as EC2 user. Okay. Now let's check the log if AM is starting or not use through the cron job. Let's check the log. So I delete this and I change the path. Okay. So if we check the date, right? This is still using UTC time, and the server time is 3:03:34, which is, we can see the last update on the log is on the same date, on the same time, meaning that there is update on this log. So if we tail, yeah, the AM is starting, meaning the cron job is successfully starting AM upon the VM restart. We can also check, we have author here in this instance. We also can check by opening this link and using port 4502. Yeah, you can see that the startup is in progress. So it will bring up after some time. So the idea here, if I could repeat, upon the EC2 instance restart, we can also automatically give command and set the cron job to bring up AM when the EC2 restarted. Without this cron job, when EC2 down, AM also will be down because AM is inside EC2. And when EC2 started back, if we don't have cron job, we need to start manually. But through this cron job, it will check upon VM reboot, and when the cron job detect this VM reboot, it will also run the command to start AM. So AM will be automatically started. That's all for my tutorial today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel. God bless you.